Hi, this is William from Great Affordable Watches, and in this video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Pagani Design Pepsi GMT. And I know some of you will not like this watch, but I thought I check it out as I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I personally really love the look of a Pepsi GMT, so I wanted to check it out and see if this is the best watch you can get for around $100. But of course, if you don't like this kind of homage, or some would say copy, then this video is not for you. But now let's get into the unboxing. A very clean and very simple box. And here's the watch. And we also get a microfiber cloth. But yeah, here's the watch. And the first impressions are that it actually looks like a pretty solid watch for the money. It looks pretty nice actually, and it feels pretty hefty, and the Jubilee bracelet also feels pretty solid for the price of around $100. And I'm gonna peel off the plastic and try it on. So now all the plastics are gone, and basically every surface had plastic on it, which is kind of funny. But yeah, it actually feels solid, as I said. The dial looks quite nice, and this version don't have the Explorer under the Pagani logo, which is something I personally like. And yeah, we got a Jubilee bracelet, sapphire crystal, and a signed crown, if you can see it. We got the Chinese movement, which looks pretty decent actually, and a fairly nice clasp considering the price. So yeah, the first impressions are that I'm really surprised of how well built it feels for the money. But this is of course a homage, or a copy, if you will, of the Rolex GMT, or the GMT Master 2 Pepsi. But I think my biggest gripe, as I see now, is actually the bezel insert. It doesn't really look like ceramic, and if it is, it doesn't really match the glossy look of the GMT, and that's definitely a negative thing in my book, as the Rolex GMT Master 2, that specific look, it's one of the reasons it looks so good, and to not get it with this watch is a big negative thing in my opinion. And of course that is personal preference, but that's one thing I'm a bit disappointed at, but that doesn't really have to do anything with the quality. I believe it's quite hard to get that glossy ceramic, and I will also look it up. So this is not an aluminium bezel insert. It said ceramic on the website, but I just want to make sure that it is actually ceramic. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But other than that, other than the more matte bezel insert, I think this watch actually looks really nice, and it feels pretty solid for the money. Definitely one of the better watches I've felt in this price range. Of course, now this is not my full review, so stay tuned for the full review with all the details and full specifications. But if you'd like to try a solid Pepsi GMT and see how it feels on your wrist without having to purchase a lot more expensive watch, I think this is actually a great alternative, and you do get a lot of watch for your money, in my opinion. And I will try it on my wrist. So here it is, and it sits as you would expect, at 40 millimeters. And yeah, I'm quite impressed with how the build quality and how it looks for the money. And the surfaces looks pretty nice as well, and more than you would expect for the kind of money you're paying for this watch. So I will do a full review. If you guys want to see that, let me know down in the comment section. And I hope you like this short unboxing of the Pagani Design Pepsi GMT. Alright, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.